Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will resolve one issue. An issue is CSS not working. Actually, many students are facing this issue. We can say especially beginners are facing this issue. और वो टेंशन ले रहे होते हैं कि why their CSS is not working. So इस issue को resolve करने के लिए you just do one thing, ठीक है, for resolving this issue. And which is you just remove your cache. अब cache कैसे remove करनी है? You just open your browser, and here history, ठीक है, history को open करें. As you can see, here is one option in which is clear browsing data. You just click on this option. Okay, this dialog box will be appear. Okay, after that, here there is one button, clear data. You just click on this button. After this, you just close your browser, ठीक है, close your browser and reopen it. Now you can see our color will be changed. Okay, that's it. Just do one thing if your CSS is not working, and which is clear your cache. ठीक है? So that's it. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe the channel to stay updated to more videos like this. Thank you so much.